Hi, this is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. Most vintage tourism postcards have a unique mix of humor, over-the-top colors, and imagery specific to the place it's promoting. I created this one, which has an old TV test pattern for its background. I'll show you how I made it so you can replace a different name and background with your own using the same techniques. This document is 2100 by 1575 pixels and a resolution of 300 pixels per inch. Once you've opened your background document, call up your type tool and open your character text window. I'm choosing a font called Poplar Standard Black, which you can download for free at myfonts.com. Open your Paragraphs tab. If you don't have Paragraphs open, go to Window and Paragraph. I'm choosing Center Text. Click on your document and type out your text. Highlight all your text and click on the text warp icon. Click on the arrow next to None, and for this example, I'll choose Rise. I'll highlight Horizontal and bend it 12%. I'll click on my Move tool, click on the text and center it. Let's close the text windows. Click on the New Layer icon and click on the foreground color. I'm choosing a nice rich blue, 00-3DFF. We'll fill the layer with this color by pressing Alt or Option plus Delete. I'll use this layer for the color and texture of the sides and bottom of my text. Click 3D and New 3D Postcard from Layer. Click on the 3D Scene icon or go to Window and 3D. Click on the Materials icon and click on the arrow next to the ball. Click on the inside arrow and choose New Material. I'll type in blue. Scroll down to the bottom and there's the new color and/or texture. Let's close the 3D windows. I'll hide the blue layer and click on the text to make it active. Go to 3D, Repose, and Text Layer. Click Yes to rasterize the text. The Repose window will open. In Materials, click All, and click on your new color and texture. In Extrude, I'll change the depth to 0.3. I'll click on my 3D camera tool and choose Rotate. Click on your image and move it around until you get the angle you like. Click back on the 3D camera tool and choose Pan. Click back on your image and move it to the center. Next, choose the Zoom camera tool and drag down to zoom it in. Continue to use the 3D camera tools to angle, size, and reposition your text until you're happy. Then click your Move tool or press the letter V, which is a way to accept the 3D. Let's trash the blue layer since we don't need it anymore. Go to Select and Color Range. Click on the face of your text and choose Selection. We'll make the fuzziness 10. This creates a selection around the face of your text. Open up an image you'd like to place inside the face of your text. To get it into your postcard document, click down anywhere on the image and drag it up onto the tab of the postcard. With your mouse or pen still held down, drag it down onto your postcard and release. Click on the Layer Mask icon, which makes a layer mask of the selection. I want to increase the vibrance and saturation of the clouds, so I'll click on the Adjustment Layer icon and choose Vibrance. I'll increase the vibrance to 100 and the saturation to 29. Make your image active, click on the FX icon and choose Stroke. We'll change the position to inside and the size 10 pixels. Click on the color box and I'm choosing a light blue. Call up your Type tool and click on your character text box. I'm choosing a font called Freestyle Script, which you can download for free at fontzone.net. Click on the color box and choose White. Type out your text, and if you want to move it, call up your Move tool, click on it, and move it. Click on the FX icon and choose Stroke. Click on the color box, and I'll click on the dark blue of the text to pick up its color. I'll change the size to 6 pixels and then click Drop Shadow. I'll click on the color box and again pick up the dark color of the text. I'll change the blend mode to normal and the opacity to 100. I'll make the distance 14 pixels and the size 0. Click on the New Layer icon to make a new layer, and we'll rename it Border. Call up your rectangular marquee tool and click on the upper left corner. Drag a rectangle to the lower right corner. Go to Edit and Stroke. We'll make a white stroke of 40 pixels and keep it inside. To delete the selection, press Ctrl or Command+D. To give our postcard some texture and an antique color cast, I'll use this paper sample. I got it at cgtextures.com and will provide a direct link for this paper in the video's description area. To get it into our postcard document, use the same method as before. Change the blend mode from normal to multiply. Have fun making a place or anything else into a classic vintage postcard. This is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. Thanks for watching.